Hello everyone and welcome back to the Money and Do It channel, your personal financial channel. Today we have a crucial topic to discuss that affects the financial well-being of many of us, the Malaysians, the repricing of medical card. But before we dive into these topics, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel, ring the notification bell so you will never miss our valuable financial insights. Medical card repricing is the process of insurance companies adjusting the premiums and benefits of their medical insurance plans. This is typically done on an annual basis. Medical card premiums in Malaysia have increased significantly in recent years. In fact, a recent study found that the average medical card premium has increased by 20% over the past 5 years. Imagine your medical card is cost 100 ringgit per month in 2018. In 2019, the average medical card premium in Malaysia has become 110 per month. Then in 2020, the average premium became 121 per month. In 2021, the average premium in Malaysia became 133 ringgit per month. In 2022, it became 146 per month. And in this year, the average medical card premium in Malaysia should be around 161 ringgit per month. There are a number of factors that can contribute to this medical card repricing, including first, rising medical costs, increased claims, and underwriting losses. So you can see the medical card premium has increased by 20% from 2018 to 2023 and about 10% every year. Please note that there is a difference between cost of insurance and insurance premium. First, let us look at the factor of rising medical costs. The cost of healthcare is rising all over the world and Malaysia is no exception. In fact, a recent study found that the cost of healthcare in Malaysia has increased by 10% over the past year. We call this medical fee inflation. As you can see from this graph, the medical inflation rate in Malaysia has been steadily increasing over the past decade. In 2010, the average cost of medical treatment for a specific ailment was 5,000 ringgit. Fast forward to 2020, the same treatment would cost you approximately 8,000 ringgit. That's a staggering of 60% increase. So check out this table showing the median medical fees for some common procedures in Malaysia in 2018 and 2022. As you can see, the median medical fees for all of the procedures in the table have increased by 20% between 2018 and 2022. This is a significant increase and it is one of the reasons why medical card premiums are also increasing. Please note that these are just median fees and the actual cost of a particular procedure may vary depending on the hospital, the doctor, and the patient's condition. This surge in medical costs has put tremendous pressure on insurance companies, leading to the repricing of medical cards. That is why insurance premiums have seen significant hikes as a result. Many insurance companies have had to re-evaluate their pricing strategies to cope with the growing healthcare expenses. Number two, increased claims of the medical cards across all insurance companies, also one of the reasons for the medical repricing. According to the Life Insurance Association of Malaysia, LIAM Annual Report 2022, the insurance industry in Malaysia recorded a rise in medical claim payout of 33.7% from 4.61 billion in 2021 to 6.16 billion in 2022. This represents the increase of 1.55 billion ringgit. Therefore, no matter you are having medical cards from which insurance company, all of them are also recorded the rising of medical claim payout. As in the Liam report, the increase in medical claim payout is attributed to a number of factors, including the aging population. Malaysians' median age is increasing and older people are more likely to need medical care. The rising prevalence of the chronic diseases, non-communicable diseases, NCDs such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer are on the rise in Malaysia. So that's why it requires a longer term of the treatment treatment and management, which can be expensive. The rising cost of healthcare, which we have discussed earlier, also contributing. I will share with you more in the next point on how does the hikes in claim relate to the medical reprice. Okay, point number 3, underwriting losses occur when an insurance company pay out more in claims than it receives in premium. Imagine you have subscribed to this medical plan called Superb from company A. This Superb is a water tank, which is also subscribed by many ones in Malaysia. Each of us are contributing a pound of water to fill into the water tank. The pound of water is the premium that we are paying. Whenever there is a claim paid out, the water level of the tank will drop. Underwriting losses simply means the water output is more than the water input. This can happen for a number of reasons, including higher than expected medical costs. As we discussed earlier, the cost of healthcare has been rising steadily in recent years due to factors such as the aging population, the increasing prevalence of chronic diseases, and the development of new medical technologies. Unexpected events, major events such as the natural disasters or pandemics can also lead to a surge in these medical claims, which can overwhelm an insurance company's reserve. Sometimes the insurance fraud is also one of the contributory causes to these underwriting losses in Malaysia. That is why it leads to a tighter medical screening during the applications of medical insurance. Well, migrating of policyholders, especially when an insurance company raises its premium, it may lead to some policyholders to migrate to a newer medical plan or even another company. This is because policyholders may be looking for a more affordable plan or a plan that offers better coverage. In this case, less and less people will fill the water tank. But since the water outflow continues, the water in the tank becomes non-sustainable. Therefore, it has become necessary for insurance company to conduct repricing in order to sustain the pool fund and ensure that the policyholder's protection is valid until maturity age. The pool fund is a collection of premiums that is used to pay out claim to policyholders. If the pool fund is depleted, the insurance company will not be able to pay out claims and policyholders will lose their coverage. Bill Gates once said healthcare is one of the biggest challenges we face as a society. The cost of healthcare is rising faster than the economy, and this is unsustainable. We are glad that the government also started to roll out some programs to address this issue, but for the P40 groups. But if you are concerned about medical card repricing and you might not be the B40 groups, there are a few things you can do. Number 1, subscribe to the Money and Do It channel. We are regularly publishing the videos about personal finance topics, including medical card repricing. Number 2, review your medical card with a financial coach. A financial coach can help you to understand your coverage and make sure that your medical plan is always up to date. Number 3, consider splitting your medical card or hospitalization plan for your other insurance plans so that you will save more in your insurance costs. Finally, ensure that you keep yourself healthy.